Hi class. The other time I asked a question, I got an explanation from many of the faculty members that we take field in the radially outward direction. They missed the point. We take field in the radially outward direction when the charge on the surface of the conductor taken freezes. There is where lies my question. In my case, charges are not to freeze. They will keep moving on the periphery. Of course, we are not to the fact that charges, if they freeze, they will produce field only in the radially outward direction on the surface of the conductor. I have taken a scenario in which they have not frozen as yet. So they can move in the tangential direction. In that case, they repel, they are far from each other and are moving in the tangential direction. There is field in the tangential direction to make them move. What makes them stop then, as they are to stop? That being the question, to which the only answer what mechanics do suggest is, there is enough friction. Owing to friction, what will happen? Owing to friction, by that I mean collision. What will happen? They will lose energy, kinetic energy lost, eventuating with stationary. So eventuating with a stationary state, what then we are to say about the ones which don't have resistance to offer? In that case, we will cite losing of energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. Yet in the other case, we will evoke quantum superconductors. So the situation over here which I did pose, the proponent being me, was not of freezing and then explaining why this. It was about, it has not frozen. Why on earth will it freeze? I hope I had made my point with that clarity and you will be able to spare a thought on it. Thank you, class. Thank you. See you again.